these are false. 0 here, empty string, list, or tuples, or sets without any values are always shows as false. So the second things I will mention here, explain about the list. What is list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. In Python programming, a list is created by placing all the items or elements inside square brackets and separated by commas. It can have any number or items and they may be of different types: integer, float, string. We already know about those types. A list can also have another list as an item. This is called a nested list. So how can I write a list? Maybe here, list, here, it's a square bracket. So we write here. We can write 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. When we print the list, oh sorry, print our list. Yes, here is our list. It's a list. Okay, and we can also see here the len. Print len list. So how many elements are in this list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it shows us len. How many elements? It's 5 elements. And also one important things to know, list items are indexed. First item has index 0 and second 1. What is this? If I print list 2, any guess what items or what numbers we can see here? 1, 2, so 2. But here list, we know it starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, so it shows us 5. Here, yes, it shows us 5 because the item has index. First item is from 0. When I print here the number 3, it shows us 7. 0, 1, 2, 3. It's really very important to know about indexing, but I think I will explain it in another video later, indexing, slicing. So another things I want to say, list items are mutable. What is mutable? It's changeable. I just create a new list here. Okay, list 1. Just I wrote here some names or some fruits. Maybe mango, always, comma, apple, and also a comma after that space, banana, kiwi, kiwi. Okay. And when I print list 1, so it shows me my list. Oh, sorry, here list one. Yes, it's very nice things because here list, if we print this thing again, so it shows us this list. But I create a new list, list one. If I forget to write one, then it shows me previous one. We have to know about that. Here, it shows me my new list. And if maybe I think, okay, or maybe it's necessary to change any elements or items from this list, so how can I change it? List. Oh, maybe which one I would like to change? List one. Number one. So I would like to change the apple equal to. I'd like to put here new items. So maybe cherry, and after that print list one. So what happened? Yes, here instead of apple come cherry. Okay, now I think it's also clear till now what is list, how can we write a list with always this square bracket, and if I write any string, so we must use those quotation, double quotation, and inside the double quotation we will write the items, and if we write any number, it might be look like that. We don't need to quotation. One another thing, it's also I would like to write maybe list 2. We can also create a new list with 2, 5, after that mango, apple. What happened? Just see. List. Oh, sorry, list 2. It's also possible. In this list, we can also put different types of value. We can number and string, those we can put together. It's also possible in list. So list is changeable. I explain it, and we can change, add, and remove item in a list after it has been created. So I already mentioned about that. How can I change an element? We can also add, we can also remove any elements. If we need to remove, we can also remove easily. And mixed data type we can also use in a list. And yes, I think it's okay for today. After learn about list, we will learn about Python tuples. Tuples, what is tuples? Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. It's also first same as list, but quite a bit different. Tuple is one of 4 built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other 3 are list, set, and dictionary. So we already know about list, and after that we are learning tuples. And after that we will learn set and dictionary. So here the things that is new, a tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. We saw before here, we can change the element for it is. Here, we can change instead of apple, just cherry. It's possible for list, but it's not possible for tuple. And another thing, a tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round bracket. We saw before, lists are always right with this square bracket, but tuple is a round bracket. So these things are different. How can I write a tuple look like that? It's same, but we just wrote here this round bracket. All the same, but for tuple, we cannot change the element. Maybe we can here tuple. I can write here also. And it's also the same about the indexing. It's start from 0. Tuple 1 equal to here, one is banana, so we can write here mango. After that, if we print, what is the result? It shows us a error message. So we can easily know about here what is the difference between list and tuples. Only a bit different between those. The bracket, and also it's unchangeable. When we write a tuple, we will not able to change any element within a tuples. So for my first tutorial, I think it's enough. In the next video, I will show the rest of these things, and after that we will go far and we can start from small coding. How can we write a code nicely in Python? Really, I want to say lots of thanks for watching this video, and I hope we all can benefited from this tutorial. So for today, bye and have a nice time. See you.